Hello everyone, TechAid TV here. For today's video, I'm gonna show you how to manually purge this Brother MFC-J200 printer. I initially run this method before performing a printhead cleaning for the most of the Brother printers, and without further ado, let's get started. Step 1. Check your ink cartridges and ensure that your ink cartridges has enough level of ink. And replace it a new one if there is low ink cartridges installed. Then close your ink cartridges cover to proceed on the second step. But before we proceed on the second step, let me first run a print quality check to show you the current printout problem of this unit. And here's the current problem. As we can see here, the color printout is pretty fine, but the black printout has a missing dot, or when we are going to print, our printout could has a broken white lines due to this issue. So in order to fix and resolve this issue, the second step that we need to do is to perform an ink purge command using the printer's control panel. So to continue, first press the 1 button to select yes. Then turn to your home screen. So press exit. Then to start running the ink purging, just press menu, mono, and press up button 4 times. Then now, screen shows maintenance. That means your printer is set into maintenance mode. Then press 7 and 6 keys to enter into the initial stage of purge operation. Then your LCD displays cleaning. And then select or press 6. This purge code is to perform for refilling the ink tube with ink. And then press mono start button to execute and start the ink purging operation. This process, it may take some time, so just wait on it until the screen LCD displays maintenance or back to initial maintenance stage. And then when your LCD screen returns to the initial purge maintenance, just key in 99 to exit from maintenance mode. Then wait until screen displays return to its home screen. Then now, since we're done performing the ink purging operation, we may now run a Noozle print quality check to see if the printout issue is resolved. Then now let's see the Noozle check print pattern if the missing Noozle.printout is resolved. So as we notice here, that printout is pretty good and fine, and the missing dot on the black Noozle is now visible. And that's how simple it is to perform ink purging operation and able to fix and resolve some missing Noozle printout on this Brother MFC-J200 printer. If you found this video helpful to you, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.